So, hi Keshav sir, I wanted to ask you how to prepare for CLAT along with college.
I think a lot of people believe that when they prepare along with college, slightly more difficult. And I think a lot of people preparing for college also take that hangover with themselves where they couldn't crack CLAT for the first time.
Yeah, and I also feel that quality matters more than quantity. You have to be that kid.
We have to understand what kind of exam this is. I mean, this is not UPSC.
So, hi Keshav sir, I wanted to ask you how to prepare for CLAT along with college.
So I think a lot of people believe that when they prepare along with college, it is slightly more difficult because you have to go to college. कुछ colleges में ऐसा होता है कि there is a minimum attendance criteria. So if you're preparing with college, एक schedule बनाया जा सकता है on a regular basis, which we generally ask freshers also to do. Because if freshers are also preparing, they're preparing along with school. तो वो काइंड ऑफ टाइम सेम ही होता है कि 2 से 3 बजे तक यू वोंट बी एबल टू प्रिपेयर टू मच. College is slightly more flexible in that sense, wherein you can miss out college on certain days and all. So the ideal way to go about it is to identify 4-5 hours in the day. 1 hour could be during your classes if there's a free period or something like that. And after that, you can start doing bit of current affairs. The practice part of it obviously would be done later after college. So the people who I have seen preparing for college use the time after college really well. So they use the college library really well. So that's how I think students can plan it out really well.
So, alright, my next question is going to be how many hours should a student spare for CLAT preparation?
So actually it depends from student to student. There are students who believe that their probably first attempt in CLAT did not go so well and they missed out on like a lot of things. Maths बिल्कुल नहीं किया, current affairs सिर्फ लास्ट के 6 महीने का किया था, things like that. Then they will have to give more time, maybe 4 to 5 hours along with college. But the best part of your CLAT preparation along with college is before even your college starts. So mostly college July, August में start होते हैं. So if they make use of months like April, May, June, तो कॉलेज जाके बहुत चीज़ें आसान हो जाती हैं. Then you only have to do current affairs majorly and obviously solve questions, mocks, sectional tests and so on. So talking about hours per se, 4 to 5 hours for any student should be good enough.
So, alright, now how to manage college studies with CLAT preparation?
So college studies, to be honest, if somebody is in first semester of their college and the college in first semester is not that serious. I mean, obviously when you go to college, so many people are just concentrating on this. So you feel that pressure also, but it's about one semester. So even if you don't do the best in the first semester, it can obviously be covered in the later stages. But the most important thing that everybody has to understand, if they're preparing for CLAT, they have to give it a clear one-sided focus because CLAT would require that. And I think a lot of people preparing for college also take that hangover with themselves where they couldn't crack CLAT for the first time. So I think that needs to be figured out as well, and that is exactly what we also discuss in all our strategy sessions where we try to motivate them in a way that if it didn't work out in the first instance, that doesn't mean it won't work out at all. It has worked out for so many people before this. So yeah, I mean the main part is that they just have to they have to take the main time, and then they have to concentrate on, you could say, how can they make the best use of their time with college.
Yeah, of course, right. So, alright, lastly, what would you suggest could be a daily routine of a person who's preparing for CLAT with
the college? So daily routine ऐसा हो सकता है, let's say you go to college in the morning, so obviously ज़्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं. Till 3 o'clock, try to at least complete your newspaper. So there's a break between classes. There are certain free classes as well. So to complete the newspaper, तो आपका एक major जो रोज का काम होता है वो खत्म हो जाएगा. Then in the remaining time that you have in the day, spare a couple of hours for maybe your classes, और जिस दिन classes नहीं है उस दिन practice आप ज़्यादा कर सकते हो. And pick any one subject that you're not very sure about. For most people, it's maths. For most people believe कि legal reasoning में हमको time बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है when we solve the paper. तो वो चीज़ें आप solve कर सकते हो. So ideally 2 hours for classes और practice and remaining 1 or 2 hours जहाँ पर आप थोड़ा सा extra concept wise चीज़ें कर सकते हो. और जब आपको लगता है कि आपके concepts clear हैं, then you come to current affairs part जो 2 घंटे में आप 1-1.5 घंटा current affairs भी कर सकते हो because something keeps happening every single day, right? So that's how you can plan it out.
Yeah, and I also feel that quality matters more than quantity. आपके स्कूल में जैसे वो बच्चे होते हैं ना, तू तो कुछ नहीं पढ़ता, तू कैसे भाई फर्स्ट आ जाता है. You have to be that kid. There will be students who will be doing 8 hours versus you doing it for 4 hours. you have to make sure कि आप उसको grasp.
Also, I think we have to understand what kind of exam this is. I mean, this is not UPSC. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा याद नहीं करना है. So you just have to understand few things. You have to improve certain abilities of yours, which includes comprehension, reading speed, and basic understanding, general awareness, and all of that. So if you have that, if you get that while newspaper reading, classes, mock solving, sectional test solving, आप धीरे धीरे करके अच्छा ही करने लग जाते हो. Now a lot of people also ask me कि sir, a fresher is studying for 4 hours and I as a dropper I can study for 8 hours also because I have the time. So should I study for 8 hours? Now कोर्स वही रहेगा, राइट? तो आप 8 आवर्स पढ़ के कुछ अलग नहीं करोगे. तो एज यू सेड, क्वालिटी रियली मैटर्स कि आप उस टाइम में क्या कर रहे हो. सो आई यूज टू हैव अ फ्रेंड, उसकी मम्मी यूज टू कम टू माई हाउस, वी वर फैमिली फ्रेंड्स. तो वो बोलती थी कि ये तो दिन में 8 घंटे पढ़ता है, बट उसके मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आते. केशव को तो हम कभी पढ़ते हुए नहीं देखते, तो अच्छे खासे मार्क्स ले आता है. सो द प्रॉब्लम वॉज कि उसके हाथ में पूरे टाइम फोन रहता था वाइल ही वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग. सो दैट वॉज द इशू. एंड इफ दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद अ लॉट ऑफ यू एज वेल, यू कैन फिगर दैट आउट बिकॉज it's a real problem, and it's actually been a recognized problem now. So figure it out, cut out all these sort of unnecessary distractions, and certainly this is your exam.
And I also feel that you have to leave behind what you have already done. क्योंकि बहुत सारा ये हो जाता है ना कि मेरा नहीं हुआ, बाकी लोगों का हो चुका है, उनकी 800 रैंक आई थी पिछले साल, इस साल बेटर आ जाए. तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं से कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि यू हैव फॉरगॉटन ऑल दैट हैज़ हैपेंड एंड यू स्टार्ट अ फ्रेश.
100%.